Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur, Delhi and Ahmedabad. In this video, we will discuss, suppose if you are a custom broker, right, or CHA, custom house agent, and you have received a notice, show cause notice for the misclassification of the गुड्स विच यू हैव इम्पोर्टेड। अगर आपने कोई गुड्स इम्पोर्टेड की है और आपने गुड्स को मिसक्लासीफाई कर दिया है, तो इन दैट केस कस्टम डिपार्टमेंट हैज इम्पोज्ड ए penalty for the misclassification, right? So if you are not satisfied as per your understanding, your goods classification is fine, right, as per your knowledge and as per the general parlance, right? And if you are not satisfied with the decision of the custom department, so what are the options which are available with the custom house agent regarding the appeal, right? So first of all, you have not satisfied with the decision of the custom department, you can file the appeal with the commissioner of custom appeals, right? And this appeal is required to be filed within a period of 60 days, right? And if a custom house agent is not able to file the appeal in within the period of 60 days, the 30 days time period is also provided, right, if there is a genuine reason, right? If and the said appeal is required to be filed in form CA1 in the duplicate. If you are aggrieved in order by original passed by the adjudicating authority like deputy or joint commissioner, so this is the first appellate authority. Suppose if you are not satisfied with the decision of the commissioner of customs appeal, right, that you have another option to file the appeal with the state, right, custom excise and service tax appellate tribunal. And this appeal is required to be filed within a period of 3 months from the date of receiving of the order, and the said appeal is required to be filed with in form CA3, right? And if you want to file this appeal, you are required to deposit a additional 10% of disputed penalty amount, right? And if you are satisfied with the order of state, otherwise you can file the appeal to the high court or supreme court. When you are able to file the appeal with the high court, when case involves substantial question of law, right, so you can file the appeal with the jurisdictional high court. And if there is a question of classification or valuation, you can file the appeal against the order of state to the Supreme Court. So this is the appealable authorities in which you can file the appeal if your rights are violated by the custom department, right? Thereafter, what are the remedies which are available to the custom broker? So custom broker can file the application for the stay of the order of the recovery of the penalty which is passed by the your adjudicating authority, right? This is the first remedy for which the custom house agent can file the application. Second is the rectification of the mistake. If there is a clerical or arithmetical mistake, so you can file the application for the stay of that order. Condonation of delay and cross objection, right? Thereafter, we will also discuss some FAQs regarding the filing of appeal before the appellate authority. So first of all, we have to understand what is a show cause notice and order in original. The show cause notice is a formal notice asking you to explain why the department will not take action against you, right? If you provide a proper clarification regarding the question raised in the show cause notice, right, the proceedings of the show cause notice will be closed at that point of time, right? Where what is the time limit for filing an appeal? If a custom department is not satisfied with your reply given in response of the show cause notice, so and the custom department pass an adverse order against the custom house agent, so you can file the appeal with the commissioner appeal within a period of 60 days, which we have already discussed. Third thing is that it is mandatory to a penalty amount before an appeal. Yes, is in case of commissioner appeal, you are required to pay the 7.5% of disputed penalty amount to make your appeal maintainable, right? For filing of the appeal before the said authority, you are required to deposit 10% of total disputed amount with the said authority before filing the appeal. Thus, misclassified is equal to misdeclaration? No. Courts have often ruled that classification is a matter of opinion. Misclassification only becomes a punishable, right? And it cannot be declared as a criminal offense, right? Can a custom broker be penalized if the importer provided the wrong information? The broker is an agent and can provide evidence, email letter showing you relied on the document provided by the importers. So this is the complete information regarding the filing of appeal before the number of authorities which we have already discussed in this video. I hope this video is very helpful regarding that. You can also connect to the number given on the screen. Thank you.